Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This video is part of programming basic series. The topic of this video is variable. Variable. The variable word comes from Latin word varialis, which means changeable. So first, initially the variable word mostly used in mathematics, and in mathematics a variable is a symbol and placeholder for a mathematical object or quantities that may change in future. So similar way in computer programming, a variable is basically a named container for a particular set of bits or type of data. A type of data can be different, anything. It can be string, boolean, number, integer, anything. Before moving ahead in this video, there are some keywords that we need to know, such as declaration and initialization. Declaration. Declaration means defining a variable and giving that variable a name. With declaration statement, we tell the interpreter that we want a variable in this particular name with this particular name. Initialization. Initialization means assigning a value to that variable. In different programming languages, variable declaration and initialization syntax might be different, but in this video we are going to use JavaScript. The declaration syntax in JavaScript is like this: let color. Here the let means it is a variable and color means it is a variable name. The whole statement is known as variable declaration. Initialization. We do initialization of variable like this: color equal to blue. In this line, we are assigning a value to that variable, which means we are telling our interpreter or compiler to store blue value in color variable. What if we want to do both the operations together? Means we want to declare as well as assign. We can do so in single line of code like this: let color equal to blue. Here the variable is declared as well as initialized. There are multiple ways to declare a variable in JavaScript. We can use different keywords for it, such as var, let, and const. You can see this in example. In example like here, the syntax for all these three are same, such as like let's say var a is equal to 10. Similar way var let b is equal to 20 and const c is equal to 30. The syntax is, you can see that it's the same. The important difference between these three are in terms of declaration and assignment. In case of var, the variable can be redeclared as well as reassigned. It means that you can redefine the variable itself as well as you can change the value of that particular variable in later phase of your program. But in case of let, you cannot do redeclaration, but you can do reassignment. It means that you cannot redefine that particular variable if you have already defined it, but you can change the value of the variable. But in case of, if we go const keyword, in case of const, you cannot do redeclaration as well as you cannot do reassignments. You have to just declare as well as initialize it only one time. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Feel free to like, comment on the video and subscribe my YouTube channel for this kind of informative video in future.